Hello again, guys. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw a tank using Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First, you want to click this rectangle tool and which one should I? Oh yeah, rectangle tool, and just draw a shape and and you can also make it like this if I need to. And we are going to see if this is okay. And now we are going to change the color into like gray. Okay. Yeah, this gray. Yeah, this gray. And now let's use the red pen tool. Wait, I shouldn't use pen tool. I should use the rectangle tool and draw rectangle on it. Okay. There we are. Wait. Okay, that's done. And now we need to change the color to that light, more like the gray. Now we can change this border color. Okay, but non-border color is a bit ugly. Let me see. Too black. No, I don't want the black border color. Okay, I guess this is good. And now we are going to draw the head of the tank. How should I draw? Yeah. I guess this. Okay. Now it's done. And I'm gonna push it a little bit. Make it like the border radius more cute. Okay. And now we're going to change the color to more lighter gray. And now, oh yeah, now the front cannon. Where's that thing? Oh, I should make this more wider. Okay. Oh my, too wide. Oh no, it's too wide. I don't really like too wide. Okay. Yeah, better. And so let me just shut down a little bit. Yeah. I guess here. Okay. And now let's get back to the rectangle tool. And yeah, draw the rectangle there. Yeah. Now we've got to change the color. Let me see the color. Oh no, it's too bad. It's too dark now. Let me see. This is going to be very dark. And now let's see. Okay, it's good. It's just like tires. Funny though. Let's just move aside and let's put it back. And now we're going to use the polygon tool. Okay. Let's see which. Also remember to put it the 3 ones. Make it big and okay. Wait, it has become a circle. I didn't mean that I want a circle. Ew, that's disgusting though. Yeah, this is better. Better than what I expected. And let's move this cone to the nose there. Okay, done. Now we're going to make the heavy gun up there. Like this long, but this is too big. I don't very big one because it will be very ugly if it's too big. Undo it, and I'll draw it a side there. Okay. Okay, this color is more good. Let's put it here and let's make it's losing a thing. What have I done? Oh, oopsies. And okay, long a little bit. Now it's longer, it's better. And where is the rectangle tool? Ah, yeah. Let's draw the. We're gonna. Nope. I guess it's too wide. Let me just fix it and let's do something. Okay. Let's see. I guess it's good now. Better. And now we need to add some circles. Oh, okay. We need to fix the layers here to make it more beautiful. Let's just drag that thing over here. Now as you see, it looks like this. And oh man, what have I done? Oh, there you are. And now it's better though. And what next? Let's just close this thing and see. Yeah, we're going to use the ellipse tool to eventually make a circle. Okay. And let's copy it and paste it over here. And make it a hedge. And just move that thing over here. Okay, and I get a little bit inside, and also this a little bit inside. Looks a little bit weird. Let me just move up a little bit. Yeah. Now it won't look like weird though. Okay, and yeah, we're going to draw a line over here. And let me see. Good. And we need a color. We don't need the color. And now, okay, we need to go back to the layers and manage those layers. Let's move that thing down here. No, that didn't work. There you are. The gun is over there, and now it's good. It's good now. And now we're going to copy and paste it over here. Okay, now here, and yeah, let's paste one more thing here. Okay, now it's done, and we're going to use that. Okay, we use the color. Okay, done. So yeah, this is the tutorial of how to make a thing, and hope you subscribe. Bye.